guys, so I'm back. Here today at church again. It's always in church over my hours I come to know, but they here again. I'm up on the road right now with my friend right out and by. You know who that is from Mr. Out and by. They know who that is, but I don't know if you can hear me right now because talking in the background. But guys, I'm gonna be definitely, I don't know if you can see me, but let me face the light. Yes, so journeyish. Not really, but I'm not on a plan. Again, I'm always unplanned, but such is life, and I'm trying to keep these vlogs as realistic and as relatable as possible because I'm telling you, I have no plan. Hi, Sinead. Sinead, let's see, you just have one bad mic. Come check. Alright, so good morning, guys. So this morning, I'm actually before I did even this morning, where am I going to do this morning? It's a continuation from the previous clip. I didn't get to edit it out properly because a boy was tired, and plus I think night fell. I didn't even want to vlog at night. I'm still trying to get used to this vlogging thing, so bear with me. But I'm getting better over time. So today I'm gonna be going on the road again. The dust is kind of in effect. It's kind of, but you know, when I really look too hard. But at the end of the day, I think it's one of those things you have to go through. So anyways, I'm gonna be going on the road. You're gonna be seeing what I'm gonna be on the road doing. Technically, basically ish. You know, it's kind of awkward for me to take my phone and just talk about hi guys. It's kind of weird. People look at me, but I don't care. So I'm gonna show you. I'm finna show you. And then I don't really want to take on my phone too because I have sanitizer still, but it's like the thought of me touching something and then touching my phone, so I try to avoid my phone in public spaces. So but guys, stay tuned and let's go on the road. So let's do road with me on foot. Taxi, no max, just me. This time, guys, let's go. Alright guys, I'm here with Matthew, my friend. Guys, I went to 2 banks, NCBs, NCB, and the first one shut down. The second one, it's like it's too full, and it's downtown, so I could take out my phone to show you guys. Because nobody come grab this, I'm going to run them down. So, with that being said, I can show you where I'm going to head to now. And let's go, let's get it. Matthew? Yes. Peace out. Guys, so we're here. Matthew, you know, I might have another floor. I might even really say summertime, but we're actually here today on campus of a prominent or no what do you call it now? Give me the word. They call it.
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah, listen, at university, let rest me. I get 3 hours of sleep. But guys, so yeah, so keep you posted. But yeah, until then. See that board there? Do you see that board? Matthew, but yeah. Future. I'm actually dry up though. I'm sitting on the tree and dry up. I'm wondering if this is the Sahara dust or is it just fog or a mist or whatever it might be. I don't know, but something. Not really smell dusty. No, I really smell dusty towards that. I don't think so. I think I just regular just don't. Yeah, and this building is so small. The garden plants are so nice. Yet it does so much. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm bossed, I'm exhausted. We've been walking around this campus trying to find a place to shoot my motivation on Mondays, but a boy is boss. So I basically got me out now. That's pretty much it. So until another time, because I know after minutes to 11 and I'm tired. So let's go home. So not even peace, but and see you when I'm gonna be out. Basically I'm way back home. I guess I'm way back home until the next clip. Bye guys, until then. Alright guys, so we're back again. Back again. Because I'm back again. Quit the joking. I'm back again. So I'm here actually on the road with Max. She's not in the mood today. So I can't really vlog her because she's not in the mood. I know some men don't really want to put people out of the mood if they're in the mood at the place still, you know what I mean? So it's basically me alone today. So you're gonna be seeing some clippings of what I'm doing. And I do not all, but yeah. So I'm gonna talk to you a little bit bro because I want my other thing to build off and burp off of my chest. But I want to say again, thank you so much guys for the support. I'm seeing your support. I'm feeling your energy, feeling all the love, everything that has been transmitted from you guys to me. I'm feeling it because my tell us your support keeps giving me faith and hope and Lord, I'll be praying though. I'm not asking me I pray. Guys, you see me going too much? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. But yes guys. So basically it's a chill day, it's raining and I open the door. I'm tell you guys, the weather, try to touch a screen here. It is superb. Like the breeze right now is so cool. It's so nice. I want to wrap up right now and lay on the ground right here. So I'm open the door so you can see the ground. I want to lay on the ground. But through the wind, the water wet it up. I cannot lay down. So yeah. I want to flat out and just go on myself because breeze. It's when Kingston go for art at night time. Can we talk about the summer? Oh, I don't want to talk. I don't want to burp off of my chest. The summer, guys. Summer not fair going, so summer just start. And I tell you, I can't sleep. Remember, so we have AC in Jamaica. Right? They say the very persons who are still paying a JPS bill and them see them account and move, but can't afford the condition like that. So me have to sleep and just know say so. I have a big windy fan now, so the windy fan is very effective. But me I tell you, so when it go for hot. So normally I do is I have a strategy. I bathe before I go to my bed. I wash my hair most time before I go to my bed in order for me to stay cool. However, as of late, that has not been working. I don't know if because the house, the sun skin out over Jamaica, or because the mattress that trap the heat. I don't know what it is, but me I tell you say, Father God, I beg you even now, bind it even now. Guys, me can't sleep. Me I feel a turn, me I feel a twist, me I feel a turn. I say, Father God, I'm not wicked more than nobody else. This not right, this not real. Guys, anyways. But this breeze right now is just so surreal. I mean, it's tonight I got attish, but such is life here, guys. I can't bother. It's just one of those things. You just have to deal with the heat and just know that better days are coming. Better days coming. Now ask you, Mama, tea. Anyways, guys, I'm here alone. I'm kind of people that look at me now because, you know, parking lot say, but people look at me. But them lucky. I'm not business. But anyways, guys, see you in the next clip. And I hope that you guys are staying safe as always. I'm going to be ending this vlog today because a lot of clippings and I want everything to hold in one vlog. Because iMovie limits me on how much I can export. So that's a thing too by itself. But guys. It's raining so real. Roxy's campus, and I'm actually walking at the moment. I'm not saying that the campus nice. I'm want to them mango for the mango tree here. Right here, so I want to sister them come cost me. And if you want to palm aisle, them have palm aisle offering. Right there, so I mean, it's nice, and the very thought that rain just fall, and it's. I mean, I don't love when rain fall. It smells so good. Oh God, Jesus, help me, Lord. I love when rain falls. Okay. So yeah, but they may not know what kind of mango them here. I could try to go closer to them. So guys, and put them white, but come here walking at us just now. The very thought of these mangoes, though. Oh my God. You see, my boy love fruit. It depends on what kind of fruit, though. The mango I feel green, I feel not one ripe. And I don't know even when these mangoes are ripe. That's the thing, I don't know when the mangoes are ripe neither. So that's the thing. I think the camera. Hold on, guys. Guys, so the very thought of the rain brings me joy. I gotta tell ya, because it's like the rain just give me a buzz. Like me just want to go cook some tin mackerel, or I want to go cook some curry and white rice. What you know about? And fried 2 pieces of breadfruit. Oh, I can't make up my nice. But the entire idea of the rain is just exciting, and so I really do love the rain. But I want mango to eat now. I'm hungry. When am I not hungry? Stressed out. Oh, it's a but yes, guys, so if it is that you have not subscribed, right, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't want to make this video too long. Ooh, this feels soft. Yes, yeah, right there, soft. Picking. Nah, that's good. Guys, if it is that you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Click the post notification bell beside of it to stay up to date as to when I upload here on my vlog channel. Be sure to check out my best friend's channel and my main channel, because I'm trying to get those subscriptions up as well. You know, so we are spread the positive love. Man, I ask you, I just want to pass a certain mark where we can even start grow even further and to deliver even more content for you guys. Because I want to switch out my camera, because I use my phone, and now my phone I got dead, so I can't really vlog as much. But basically, it's gonna be the end of the vlog, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog, and I get a mango. So I'm really excited, guys. Click that bell, subscribe. Now watch me here because I got trim King Will Squad. Bye, guys. See you in my next upload. Mango time.